hari indirimbo umuntu yaririmbye
that says, remind me please. Mana si rimwe kandi si kabiri.
iyo ndirimbo
Nabonye ineza yawe. You know that song? Mana si rimwe kandi.
iyo ndirimbo nyango twese turayizi.
Nabonye ineza yawe. You know that song, guys? Mana si rimwe kandi si kabiri. Nabonye ineza yawe. Nabonye ineza yawe.
Mana si rimwe kandi si kabiri. Nabonye ineza yawe. Mana si rimwe kandi si kabiri. Nabonye ineza yawe. Ahara arira wahinduye umunezero. Ahara arira wahinduye umunezero. Ahara arira wahinduye umunezero.
Raise up. Hallelujah.
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 People, okay, let me say this in Kinyarwanda. Mukomera amashyi uyu mugabo utuzaniye umukobwa.
Give a round of applause to this man that has brought us this beautiful lady here.
This is actually Joyous Melody. You are blessed beyond
Joyous
measure.
Melody muhawe umugisha murabita cyane.
And we welcome her so much in our family, 4SQUER.
Kandi tumwakiriye mu muryango wacu wa 4SQUER.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
She's a good person. She's a good singer. She's a godly woman. Together with our sister here.
Ni umuntu mwiza, ni umuntu ukunda Imana, ni umumama mwiza, ni umukobwa mwiza ndetse na mushiki wacu hano nawe.
It's a blessing for a church to grow in this way.
Ni umugisha kubona itorero rikura muri ubu buryo.
And it's a blessing also to get married.
Kandi ni umugisha nanone gushaka.
Because I know very, very soon our Sunday school is going to grow again.
Thank you, Janet.
Akoze cyane
God
Janet.
bless you so much.
Imana iguhe umugisha rwose.
Somehow she has provoked people who are not yet married to think about it.
Agerageje gucokoza abantu batarashaka kugira ngo babitekerezeho.
Yes. Yeah. Before we dedicate them,
Mbere yuko tubakira kubasengera,
words about them.
yavuze amagambo meza kuri izi couple.
I love that song. If it is your song, thank you so much.
Iyo ndirimbo ndayikunda niba ari yawe Imana iguhe umugisha.
Because it blesses us.
Kuko duhabwa umugisha no kuri niyo
Okay,
ndirimbo.
to save on time because our preacher is already and time is almost gone. Mugisha Eve and Man Kazalin, they will wed on 19th of this month. They are being dedicated for the second time. Right?
Mugisha Eve.
Kandi si kabiri.